Thug, Shaker, Mind Control. What are all these names?
3, 2, 1, go!
I think it's Cuban Misfire Crisis. Uh-oh. The juggles begin. Why is Devin going dark, Samus?
I don't know. Maybe you know something we don't. This is the chillest game.
I know.
I feel like we should be building a nice tea right now. Like,
Oh, totally.
just kind of like chilling.
I mean, we do.
Talking, of course, yeah, we do. We're talking about the weather right now.
Exactly.
Day out in the battlefield.
Someone's getting impaled by a pickaxe. What the heck?
Fuck?
There's something new every day, I swear. What is this character?
This is
But my question is, what did that accomplish? I can't dispute that. I hope that wasn't intentional.
Kind of. I think they're kind of messing around with each other right now, having fun.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
All right. Oh, easy here too. All right. This look good?
This reports the game data. Oh.
Wait, Aragon. Or even Danger, how did the game count go? And then them again. Alright, so.
Holy crap, Devin's taking the lead. Maybe he does know something we don't.
I think that, Steve.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
That's 40% off of a projectile approach option.
That's. I know.
Hi, Aaron.
Wow, Cuban Misfire Crisis taking the first game. I missed most of that.
Well, Aaron's here. Mewtwo.
Mewtwo.
Is Devin going random? I wasn't looking.
I think he is going random.
That is funny.
All right, Legal Meth has had his fun. He's got to step his game up now.
Oh, we gotta change the score.
Oh yeah.
Oh, 3-0-U again.
Let's go. 3-0. Wait, is Yoshi secretly good against Sonic? Is Yoshi secretly good against Sonic? Did I hear you right?
Dude.
Oh, with pass. I thought you said Yoshi. You like that matchup? Oh, not even shoot. Just tries not even to go Sonic. Yeah. It's pretty.
All right. Result has been submitted. There you go, sir.
All right.
What is happening?
Back to the game. Cuban Misfire Crisis. It looks like he's been having a character crisis lately, but it looks like his answer to this character crisis has been random.
He mains random now.
Because it's been working.
It's upsetting me that it's working.
In a matchup that Steve wins pretty handily too. So it's really interesting to see how this is going.
No. I don't even know if Devin has a Mewtwo. Well, he clearly does, looking at this.
Right? Oh, almost hitting the up air string, but barely missing.
Oh my.
Now, here's the thing. Either SHAKER is in kill percent or really close to kill percent. But here's the problem. Mewtwo is in that same position.
Right.
If I were to say, if I were to give right now who's winning, it's definitely SHAKER mind control.
Oh, for sure. Steve's kill options. Yeah.
Lots of, yeah.
You saw that.
And now the tables have turned. That's the problem with Mewtwo, is that you can have a great advantage today, and then it all goes the other way because you have a huge tail and a light.
Yeah. Oh, evening it out though. Also, am I really loud?
No, you're good.
Okay, I feel like I'm peaking a bit.
I don't. If you are, I'm not.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, staying on the ledge a little too long, but to be fair, it is a scary situation. SHAKER doing ample control, make recover low, pissing the corner blast zone. We're gonna have to. Mewtwo is, or Cuban Misfire is going to have to figure out a way to rack up this percent.
Oh my!
Mewtwo, he needs one more interaction to put SHAKER into kill percent. That's the scary thing about Mewtwo. He's never really out, especially with tools like Disable.
Now he is.
Nope, not yet. Almost. You got one. He's got to win neutral 2 more times in order to take the stock. Or if he gets a good read, just 1 more. Putting him in a bad spot. SHAKER just playing safe, taking it slow, barely taking it off of Cuban Misfire Crisis.
These are some mouthfuls of names, I'm just gonna say.
I know, right? Oh.
I lost a fucking orange hero,
Right now, both competitors giving each other a little bit of smack talk, a little bit of crap talk. I don't know about our rating on this stream.
I think it's great.
Well, I mean like rating in terms of like, what are we allowed to say, what are we not allowed to say?
Oh.
Stop battle.
Hey, Eli.
You didn't start till
3, 2, 1, go!
Shoutouts to Eli for running this event.
Oh, for sure. Great time.
It is a great one. Oh, Eli's setting up that TNT, keeping that Cuban Misfire Crisis is just big right now. He's having a hard time, but thanks to that upbeat, low profiling with TNT, he has completely switched the dynamic. Going back to neutral, Steve is stuck in the corner, but that's where Steve likes to be, in the corner. So I wouldn't necessarily even say stuck.
I don't know what the forward smash was. They're looking for a minecart or something. Oh, that's a punish. That's death.
Not even techable. It was over. Nice celebrating after that that kill. And now this is Bowser's. Bowser's really close to making this his game. He just has to know how to. He just needs to be able to get some extra credit. Not getting that extra credit.
Yeah.
Basically even.
1.1%. Wait, do you hear that?
What?
This is Area 0. This is what we were listening to earlier.
Oh, sick. So Area 0 was composed by a guy named Toby Fox. If anyone watching this stream knows who that is. So it's a great song just because it's by Toby Fox.
Oh, that's Steve.
Steve indeed.
He got the punish because Steve. Although Bowser with Rage is very scary, so I wouldn't count him out yet at all.
Yeah, it's almost even.
Now it's even.
Doing the mental damage to Smorgasbord. Oh, okay, now Bowser's winning, especially because of the stage control. Steve has stuff he can... Oh, saying you don't get to play down there with me. You don't get to hide from me down there.
I think if there's anyone here who knows how to fight Steve, it's Devin.
True. already having a set on SHAKER Mind Control. SHAKER Mind Control having the winning record, but it's by no means a
I
freebie.
love this game.
Especially because David is putting in so much work with random characters.
No. It might be a part of the mental game. Like some mind games, but still.
Well, I think Devin's here to have fun.
That too.
It's like, it's not ranked.
Not at all.
Getting some crowd interaction with our competitors. Oh.
That's a crafting table.
To putting off a competition. We have right now back air. It's
the back air killing leading to some back and forth banter.
Preferably of the sign language kind.
Yeah.
Start battle.
Another good choice of music. Ends theme. Oh, he
sticking to it. Now we're going.
Oh no, it was.
Oh, my bad.
Oh yeah, it was Eli that did it.
Kazuya
Mishima. I'm sorry, Jin Kazama with the new skin.
2-1 Eli.
Oh, good parry. But I don't know. Devin's Kazuya very well. Then again, I don't know any of the characters he has played in this set so far.
He's much more of a string Kazuya than a 0 to death Kazuya.
Oh, gotcha.
So he doesn't have. I don't know if he knows a lot. He knows a couple of the confirms. He knows a couple of the combos, but he's much more about just mixing you up with Kazuya's really strong offense, which is a much more interesting way of playing Kazuya. And
he did it
okay, that
again.
was intentional. There was no. Oh, as you can see, going for the read.
Oh, that's going to be a grip of damage. 54. What is he doing?
Huh?
F smash is strong. Use F smash, it's strong. Ooh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Are you?
This is not looking good for Kazuya at all.
What is happening?
I think the crowd's giving Cuban Misfire smack talk. We're finally taking it off, popping off on that stock. All right. Oh, SHAKER Mind Control with the double dipper. There, double dipper.
I like the double dipper.
Or double dipper fair. Double dipper fair. Not there. Fair.